Yes, welcome into IATD TV, and today it's our Sunday supplement special, and I got a couple of boxes of Lightning Overdrive. It's the set's official release this week, so see if we can't get anything crazy out of our boxes. We've got two. We'll start with the right and see what we can crack into. Now, we've seen plenty of these. We start with an Ultra. First one of these, a Riliona Wondrous Majesty's Witch Wardrobe, sorry. It's a long name. And then a Spriggans and a Stay Sailor. And some Boojin stuff there, branded in white. And there's our first secret. Then Hallenser, the Resurgent. And Super was an S-Force. Sun Avalon for the Super. And our Ultra is a Warrock Dignity. I think that's about everything from this right hand side of the box. We're just looking at Supers. And there is our Super rank up. 4 packs on the right. Proof of Proofless. It's kind of cute. May I Meet You, Ruddy Rose Witch. Slight set malfunction there, do apologise if that was a loud bang. Recently moved, so we still have some teething issues with the studio. And a Zexal Construction. Garden Rose Flora is our Super. Ida the Sun Magician. And a Golgonda Serpent. It's the first one of those we've pulled, actually. In this one or our previous box that we opened on Sneak Peek. Warrock Spirit. And S-Force Chase even is an Ultra. A Spriggans Merrymaker. A Throm. A Drytron Moo Beta Fafnir. Such an odd name, but the card does look pretty bloomin' awesome. There is no getting around that. Don't intend to play Drytrons, but it's a pretty cool card nonetheless. A Boojin. Last couple of packs. I think there's an Ultra left if it's Tri-Brigade Link. Either we got shorted an Ultra or there's one in this pack. And no, there is an Ultra. Mysterion, the Dragon Crown. Very nice. That's the first one of those we've pulled. We'll set aside our commons for a moment and go to our second and final box. And we started on the right, so let's start on the left. We start with another Ultra, an Amazement Attend Comica. Next up, the Proofless. S-Force. Zexal Alliance and a Lena. Dark Agnista. Kind of a lackluster deck, the Agnista archetype I always found. Stay Sailor. And the cover card for the set, Ultimate Dragonic Utopia Ray. That looks pretty cool. I like that, I'm not going to lie. It's probably my favourite card I've pulled so far. The Fafnir looks cool as well, actually. It's just name, it ruins it. It's got the silliest name. Maybe it means something and I don't know. Maybe I'm too unintelligent, but it's beyond me. Just seems like a silly name. Oh, there we go. There's a little Freezey Wheezey treat for us. A Diviner of Herald. Excuse me while I sleeve this guy. There we jolly well go. Diviner of Herald. Next up, a Lavarval Warlord, X-Lord even. And our final pack from a good left-hand side that gave us a Freezey Wheezey treat. And that. Going to the right. The right can be anywhere as good as the left. We'll be in a good spot. Tri Brigade. Oh, nice. That's exactly what I wanted. I needed a third copy, and that's exactly what I pulled. Dark Honest. This was a good box. This was an exceedingly good box. Warrock Spirit. A Rocks Rose. Another Rilliona. Another Boojin. Next up, we have a Rank Up. And right down to the last couple of packs of what has been an exceptional box. I got everything I could have possibly wanted out of it, less the Starlight, but they're lottery cards, so you never bank on a lottery. Ruddy Rose Witch. And our super is a Sun Avalon. Card stack fell over, everything's going well in this particular opening. Well, from a production standpoint, it's terrible, but we at least got some good cards. And our final pack gives us an Ultra, so we start and end the box with an Ultra, another Warrock Dignity. Well, that was a tasty little opening, don't you agree? Give us a like, a comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. What are you looking forward to out of this set? And minus starlights. Can you get much better than those 4 out of a couple of boxes? Probably not unless you pull it multiples of the Herald, so I think it's pretty decent. And without anything further, this is IATD TV signing off. Peace out.